Hello traders, welcome back. Hope you had a lovely weekend. Today is Monday the 5th of February. We love a Monday. And we are going to look back at Friday's trades. And if you watch till the end of the vid, guys, I'm also going to give you my trade ideas for today and the important news for today as well. So let's start with Friday, guys, all right? And we were looking at Euro Aussie dollar, and we were looking to sell this pair. So why were we looking to sell it? Well, on the day chart, yeah, we were in a downtrend. We started getting lower highs, yeah, and lower lows. For me, that is a downtrend. And then we had this wick that closed back into these last highs. So we haven't broken structure. We were still in a downtrend. We got a bit of a bearish wick here, guys, all right? The idea was to potentially come back down to the last daily lows. That was the idea. If we drop down to the H4, actually, let's even look at the H1. No, let's go back to the H4 because it was about this level, guys, right? There was this level here, okay? And we was looking for a potential break of this level and we come lower. And that didn't happen, or we got a bearish reaction in here. That didn't happen, or up here. Yeah, those were our three scenarios, and none of them happened, which is why it's important that you plan your trade before you even take it. All right, but if we look at the H1, you know, structurally, it was coming down. Yeah, it was coming down, but then bang, NFPs. Yeah, there was big news Friday, NFPs, guys, and look at that NFP candle. So for whatever happened fundamentally, yeah, Euro was far stronger than Aussie dollar off the back of that. All right, so we just didn't get a trade, guys. We didn't get a setup, didn't break this grey zone, didn't get a bearish reaction in here or here. So no trade, simple as that. Same with pound New Zealand dollar, guys. Yeah, we were looking to sell this. If we look at the day chart, why were we looking to sell it? Well, we was in an uptrend. Yeah, this is weekly resistance, means very strong sellers. Yeah, to the point that price broke down. We were getting lower lows, lower highs. Okay, and then we also had this nice big bearish wick, and the idea was just to come back down to these daily lows. That's it. As you can see, Friday's candle was quite bullish again off the back of NFPs. You know, but my bias would still be to sell this because it's in a downtrend, guys. Let's look at H4. Yeah, so with H4, we wanted a H4 break. So we had this grey zone in here. That would mean a break of H4 structure. If we drop down to the H1, you know, and again, it just didn't happen. Yeah, this grey zone, we wanted a break, price to break this level, and we carry on. But then look at this, NFPs. Yeah, NFPs gave the pound a lot of strength over the New Zealand dollar. And after NFPs, this just shot up. So we just don't have a trade, guys. Simple as that. And the final trade from Friday was this, was the FTSE 100, my motherland indice. And this potentially gave us a setup. But if we look at the day chart, what we were seeing, guys, was, you know, once an uptrend and then bang. Yeah, this is a downtrend. And back at this sort of level through here as well. So we're in a downtrend. And look at these bearish candles. This will still be a trade idea for today, but we're getting bearish candles. But again, we was looking for a break, really, guys. If we drop down to the H1, we were really looking for a break of this level, and it just never happened. But the other scenario was, you know, a bearish reaction at this level. And, you know, we did get it here, you know, but it was just a couple of hours away before the NFPs. And NFPs ended up pushing it in our favor. So, you know, tricky, just because you've got big news coming out. But this was potentially an entry. You know, sell here, put your stop here. But this would be your first target, yeah? Until it breaks this level, this has to be your first target. All right, and if it does, we can carry on. All right, so those were the trades from Friday. Let's take a look at today's trades now. Guys, if you enjoy my analysis and receiving my trade ideas every single day, then please come join the channel. We'd love to have you. So subscribe to the channel right now, guys. Smash that notification button so you receive an alert. And if everyone could please smash the like button. Yeah, it really helps support the vid and it's greatly appreciated. Thank you. Right, trades for Monday, the 5th of Feb. Before we get started, if you haven't joined our trading community of like-minded traders just like you, then why not? Please come join our free Discord community. We've also got the VIP Discord, yeah, where you get access to me, you get my trade signals, and you get a sea of tutorials. All right, so check that out as well. If you'd like to be coached one-on-one with myself, then drop us an email and I'll send you the details of the mentorship program. And finally, guys, if you would like to show your support for our channel, then you can become a Simply Forex YouTube member where there are loads of perks in doing so. All right, so check it all out. It's all in the video description. Also, guys, don't forget our live stream every day, Monday to Thursday, 7 a.m. New York EST time. Yeah, come get your questions ready. We would love to have you. Speaking of questions, my question today is, so question of the day, how many trades did you take last week? Yeah, that's my question of the day. How many trades did you take last week? Please leave your number, but not your phone number, but your number of trades below this video. Right, guys, trades for Monday, the 5th of February. As you know, the US dollar got a lot of strength on the back of that very good NFP. It was just all good, you know, US data, guys. So we saw some real US dollar strength off the back of that. And that has led to my first trade idea, which is US dollar Swiss franc. There's also that reaction also massively helped a hedge that I was in. I got out of the hedge and yeah. Anyway, US dollar Swiss franc, we're looking to buy this pair. Why are we looking to buy this pair? Well, price was in a downtrend and now we're in an uptrend. Okay, and this is where we are currently. So we're in an uptrend structurally. We've got this very bullish candle off the back of those NFPs. And I just love this support level. Not only do you have this horizontal support level, you've also got the moving average 20 where price is above now. All right, so lots of things to like about this trade. And we're just trying to take it back up to these last daily highs, which is not much room to move into, but we can leave some money on the trade to go higher. So if we drop down to the H4, yeah, because we haven't got much room to move into, although that's still 34 pips, what we need is a retrace. So as you can see, H4 structure has broken. Yeah, we've got higher highs, which is what we want to see, but we just need a retrace now to get some value. Retrace into this grey zone, perhaps the moving average 20 comes round, we get a bullish reaction, and then we can take price back up to this high, this 8,700 psychological level. So there's my first trade idea for today. My second trade idea is New Zealand dollar against the Canadian dollar. So let's start with the day chart. So very simply, we've broken support and we're in a downtrend. Okay, so if we just follow structure first of all, you need to understand the trend of the market. And this is clearly in a downtrend, lower lows, lower highs. All right, downtrend. We also have a very nice big bearish candle that broke these last lows, this support in here. All right, and we're going to try and take price back down to this 8117. Oh my God, this 8117 level. All right, so that's the idea, guys, on the daily. If we drop down to the H4 now, let's get rid of that. Again, you can clearly see there's a nice level. Yeah, what was once support in here, yeah, when it retraces can become very good resistance. If it retraces, sorry, is what I should say. So if price retraces into this grey zone, we get a bearish reaction. I'm all over this as well. We're going to sell this back down to that blue line. All right, so New Zealand dollar, Canadian dollar, we're looking for sells. Just looking at this market, guys, I will put a level through here. Yeah, maybe price you know, does want to get back up to these daily highs. That is a possibility. And again, I will be interested in selling from here. As long as it doesn't break H4 structure, yeah, sells are on the table. So New Zealand Canadian dollar sell, and I've also got one more trade idea for today. But before I do, guys, if I could just ask everyone to please subscribe to the channel right now, also smash the like button, and please come join our trading community, our free VIP, our free Discord channel, not VIP Discord channel. The last one is the UK100, the FTSE. All right, I'm still interested in this, guys. So why am I interested? Well, if we look at the day chart, for me, we're still in a downtrend. We was in this uptrend, yeah, and then bang, we're in a downtrend. Okay, we're getting. I know we're above the moving average 20, but that's why the moving average 20 is my target. All right, and we're also seeing. Look at those bearish candles. 3 days of bearish candles. But what those bearish candles haven't done, if we drop down to the H4, is break this level. Okay, so we've got a couple of ways we can trade it. We get a break of this level, retrace, then we come lower. Okay, that's our first scenario. Or price could come back up to these highs. Yeah, we get a bearish reaction in here, and then we come lower from there, guys. All right, so yeah, FTSE 100, we're also looking to sell that. They're my trade ideas. Let's take a look at the news now. So news for Monday, the 5th of February, guys. It's all about the PMIs today. So PMIs like business inflation. So first of all, we got some news overnight. We got some Chinese PMI, but when we're awake and at the markets, we will be looking at the following, guys: 8:55 to 9 o'clock. Yeah, this is all Euro news, and it's all PMI. You've got German services, Eurozone composite, and Eurozone services. So, you know, these three pieces of news together, you know, very important, could move the euro. All right, and all these times are London GMT. After that, guys, we then have pound, or coming out of the UK, we have PMI data. So we've got composite and services PMI coming out of the UK. This could affect the pound. And then later on, guys, we have got American US PMI. So at 2:45 London GMT, we've got composite and services PMI. And 15 minutes later, we've also got the non-manufacturing PMI and prices, yeah, at 3 o'clock. So, yeah, all about PMI today, euro, pound, US dollar data. All right, so must be aware of that, guys. It can move any of those pairs. Guys, if you've enjoyed the vid, please share with your friends. Also, please don't forget the live stream today, 7 a.m. New York EST time. Get your questions for me ready for me. I'll see you then, guys.